Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana oatmeal cookies. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe bananas, 1½ cups of rolled oats, and a quarter cup of your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or honey. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. These basic components are all you need to start baking something truly special. Now let's get to mixing. First, mash your ripe bananas well in a bowl until smooth. Then add your rolled oats, sweetener, vanilla, cinnamon, and salt to the mashed bananas. Stir everything together until it's just combined. Overmixing can make the cookies tough. Once your batter is ready, drop rounded spoonfuls onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown. Want to personalize your banana oatmeal cookies? You absolutely can. Feel free to add a quarter cup of chocolate chips, chopped walnuts, or dried cranberries to the batter for extra texture and flavor. If you prefer a sweeter cookie, you can increase the amount of sweetener slightly, or reduce it for a less sweet treat. For a different texture, try using quick oats instead of rolled oats for a chewier result. Experiment and find your favorite combination. Once your delicious banana oatmeal cookies have cooled completely, they are ready to enjoy. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. If you want to keep them longer, these cookies freeze beautifully for up to 3 months. Just thaw them at room temperature or warm them slightly before serving. They make a perfect healthy snack or a delightful breakfast treat. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.